Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, grade 6. Today we'll be talking about creating a database using a datasheet view. Until now, the lessons that we were taking in our database, we were creating a database using what? Using a design view. And to do that, as I always mention in my class, to create a database, you must know the 5 steps. These steps were when you are creating a database using the design view. But now we'll create a database using a datasheet view. Now what is the datasheet view? If you remember from our last classes and from those 5 steps also, that the 5th and the last step is to select the datasheet view. Datasheet view is where we put the information in the database. Now instead of creating a table in the design view, we'll create a table in the datasheet view. So the steps have now been reduced to what? To 3 steps. First of all, the first step is the same. You have to create a new database file. You all know the first step. Choose blank, name the file, choose where you want to save. I'll save it on my desktop. Name it grade 6 lesson 5. That is lesson 3. Click OK and create. Now if you remember, our second step was always go to design view, remove the primary key. Third step, number 4, put the fields. Now we skip step number 2 and 3 and we'll directly go to step number 4, from 1 to step number 4. As you see in the database, we already have a field here, that is ID, which is an auto number. How do you know it's an auto number? From this new you can tell, or from here it's data type, you can tell it is auto number. Now I'll create another field, okay, by clicking here, and I have to choose either it's a text, number, currency. What field I'm creating? I'm creating a student number. So for number, which data type will choose? Choose number. Okay, right. I would say number, student number. So I've created a data type field, student number, whose data type is number. Another field I can create just by clicking here, choosing the data type. What data type I'll choose? I'll choose a field for student name. So for student name, which data type we choose? Text. As we all know, text is for alphabets. So write name, student name. Okay, click away and you can see the student name, its data type is text. I'll create another field, date of birth. So for date of birth, I can put 2 types, either a number if it's only in year, or date and time if I'm mentioning his month and day. So I'll choose month and day, date and time, because I will write his month and day, his date of birth. The last data type I will choose, or I will write for, is for his pocket money. How much pocket money does he get every day? So for pocket money, we all know that we use a data type that's called currency. Choose currency right here, pocket money. Okay, and you can see here its data type is currency. If you select each field, you can see their data types. Number, for name it is text, for date of birth it is date and time, and for pocket money it is currency. You can add more, or you can just leave it as it is and start putting the information, the fifth step, because we are already in datasheet view. As you can see, we are already in datasheet view. Now I can put the information. Here auto number will choose a number by itself, but I want to give a student number, for example 1001. Okay, his name is Abdullah. His date of birth, he is born on 10 March 2006. Okay, his pocket money is 10. Now when I choose 10, okay, and I go to next, you see here it's put a symbol of dollar with it already. I can change this dollar symbol from the format. Here I can choose it euro or dollar. Okay, so that was it for how to create a database table using a datasheet view. I hope you understand, and I'm sure this is easier than what we used to create in design view. Again, just remember that in design view we have 5 steps, and in datasheet view we only have 3 steps to create a database. Thank you very much. And there's a practice question, practice lesson in the book. Please complete these pages from your book and send it to me on the school website before Thursday, that is 19th March. Before 19th March I'm expecting to receive all the students' homework, and this is the homework. You can answer this question on the book. This is what you will do in the database, and this is what you will write or answer on the book. Please feel free to ask anything on the WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Goodbye.